George Foreman, the #1 brand in grilling, just got bigger. With over 240 square inches of cooking surface, the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill can handle up to 15 servings at once. And it has all the classic features you've come to love in a George Foreman grill. The George Tough non-stick coating makes everything manageable. Signature Foreman heating elements deliver even heat from the center to the sides of the grill. The included removable stand allows for the complete grilling experience indoors or out. And with a removable grill plate, cleanup is beyond simple. The George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Grill, now serving your party of 15.
On your patio, in your backyard, or at the campground, the 36-inch griddle cooking station from Blackstone is going to cook the food you love. The 4 powerful 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners are independently controlled, creating 4 cooking zones and enough versatility to cook for 2 or the entire neighborhood. The Blackstone 36-inch griddle features a solid steel griddle top, 720 square inches of evenly heated cooking surface. Cook eggs, pancakes, veggies, burgers, stir fry, steaks, or just about anything else to perfection. Experience the ease, fun, and flavor of griddle cooking with the Blackstone 36-inch griddle cooking station. Blackstone, outdoor cooking without compromise.
Royal Gourmet 18-inch portable gas griddle comes with a brilliant design. The compact size makes it super convenient for tabletop cooking, outdoor camping, or tailgating. 18-inch porcelain enameled cooking griddle ensures long-last durability. The rectangle-shaped burner heats up fast and offers even heat distribution. Piezo ignition system offers a quick startup with every easy push. Just slide out the grease tray to clean up oil residue. Connect to a 1-pound propane tank for fuel. Sturdy leg bases enhance the stability. Enjoy the convenience and versatility of cooking with Royal Gourmet 18-inch portable gas griddle. Also available in stainless steel finish with premium performance. Love grilling? Love Royal Gourmet.
New Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills feature a sleek design, long-term durability, and quality cooking performance. The stainless steel burners can be easily adjusted to deliver high heat or low temperatures and emit flame from the top for even cooking and added durability. Simply push the electronic ignition to light your burners. Keep track of the preheat status and monitor the inside temperature of your grill. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure heat retention, are rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The removable porcelain-coated grease pan is easy to clean and resists wear and tear. Durably constructed, you can count on good times and great tasting food. Made to last, Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills are a durable and stylish choice for all your grilling needs.